Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you the circle of fifths. Now the circle of fifths is exactly what the name says. It's a circle of perfect fifths. What's interesting about the circle of fifths is that as you move on clockwise, each key is a fifth away. And with each key that you move clockwise, the sharps are being raised one by one. So you have C major with no sharps and no flats. Then you have a perfect fifth away G major that has one sharp. From G you have a perfect fifth away D major that has two sharps. From D, if you go a perfect fifth up, you have A major that has three sharps. From A, if you move a perfect fifth up, you have E major that has four sharps. Now from E major, if you move a perfect fifth up, you have B major that has five sharps. And then from B major, if you move a perfect fifth up, you reach F sharp major that has six sharps. Now the same thing happens if you go down. If you go down from C, a perfect fifth down, you reach F. F has one flat. If you go down from F, a perfect fifth, you reach B flat that has two flats. If you go down from B flat, a perfect fifth, you reach E flat that has three flats. If you go down from E flat, a perfect fifth, you reach A flat that has four flats. If you go down from A flat, a perfect fifth, you reach D flat that has five flats. And then from D flat, if you go down a perfect fifth, you reach G flat that has six flats. Just like F sharp has six sharps, which is the bottom of your circle of fifths. Now that is the circle of fifths.